Hello guys, here is still with a new weekly market recap on Euro USD as usually. So, well, as usually, again I'm starting with monthly. I'm looking at this big bearish swing, and I see that we are in premium of the bearish swing. Then I'm looking at this big internal range, and I see that we are in premium of the internal range, not such good uh, confluence because contradictions. But then I'm looking at this fractal, which has basically, the fractal has consolidated a little bit more for a few months, and now finally it's breaking out of the structure, and the pain seems to diminish at least for a while. So consider this right now. The internal is in alignment with the fractal. It's in alignment with the internal. So I do expect some bullishness, and let's see if those order block is gonna do something, like if the price is going to reverse from here or not. But yeah, we're on a monthly time frame, and this is not very relevant right now. So now going a little bit lower on daily, on weekly, we see that the swing gets bullish, then the internal is also bullish, right? Was a little bit of pain. What basically happened was that the internal finally, and also not quite yet, decided to break out of the range, and to stop the pain. So what do we got here? Well, it did broke out of the monthly structure in my point of view, but at the same time didn't close above this high. So let's see how this week is going to close. But basically for this week I do expect some, like, I do expect this week to close bullish. But yeah, let's see, because I didn't see any pullback, and yeah, well, it's a little bit confusing because yeah, like literally look how the charts look, but in my, like, it's kind of obvious that price is bullish right now, and I do not know if those order block is gonna do something. But yeah, just because of this big consolidation. But yeah, because of those order blocks I cannot be bullish, and because of those of this consolidation in here, I am not bearish, right? Interesting. Well, on a weekly time frame, I do have few levels. Basically, this order block and this reversed imbalance. Like, there is this big gap in here, right? Which looks to be filled, but somehow um, you got to refine it a little bit, because you know what is the most likely level to where the price can react from this gap. And I do believe is this reversed imbalance, because it also, like, it's very well situated, like at 50%, and it doesn't matter if you measure week to week or body to body. is basically situated at 50% of the range, because the range right now it's from here to here, but yeah, the price is outside of the range. So um, if on daily it's on, or 4 hour it's gonna shift structure or something, I'm looking to target this imbalance or this order block at least. But yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. Well, on daily, it's kind of it's kind of obvious that the and also a very clear structure. Like daily, it's obviously bullish right now at this moment, and looks like it's getting momentum. So after break of structure, it formed a gap. So it it may just keep, you know, this was the this is the opening gap basically, and it might just keep going and towards this monthly imbalance, right? So there is no internal, literally not not at all, and the fractal it's bullish right now, right? It's only a swing structure and a fractal structure, and both are bullish. So I'm not trying to place any to play any retracement right now. Like at least how long the fracture stays bullish, I'm looking for long. So um, the level I'm looking at right now is this little level in here, and yeah, this is basically what I am looking at. On I did I went down on 4 hour a little bit, but there is not mm, it's nothing really, like only that, you know, if it is to make it visible on 4 hour, it has liquidity, but so if and only if the price is gonna make some retracement and it's gonna came so down here so much, like it's gonna place such a big retracement until here, this will be a good level to place along. Also when you consider that it got liquidity from this level on 4 hour, but yeah, not really much. What I have seen also in here is that when you measure this order block, what, yeah, like from this week to this week, 50% of the level matches basically pretty much of the with 50% of the weekly imbalance or weekly reversed imbalance. And yeah, those are basically the levels I'm looking like right now. I'm bullish, but if daily it's gonna break this level or, you know, turn bearish at some point, I'm gonna play the retracement until this level, and then from this level I'm gonna look for longs again, and yeah, so on and so forth. This is my plan on euro. I don't have really any prediction yet on, not prediction, but I don't see really much right now on monthly. So what I'm looking at, it's weekly, daily, and yeah, weekly and daily, and then I'm gonna get a entry on 4 hour, on 1 hour, or 1 hour. Depends on how the market is going to look when I'm gonna place a trade. yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you understand what I mean. And see you to the next video. Have a week with a lot of air.